Hello, so you have a demi. I want to show you the best way to put your demi on and help with the rolling, because unless you're tiny, you're going to roll. If you look in the catalog, you have all these models that are just standing there. And they might even have something holding it down. So basically in the models, you have this. So of course, this is what we want to do. We want to pull this down and we want it to stay just like that. Okay, well, I have rolls here, and the minute I bend or move, it also bends or moves. So a couple things I'm going to show you what to do is once you get your cami on and you get it in place, I'm going to fold that back down. I normally roll mine, so that's why it's rolling. You're going to put your hand here. You're going to lift up, just kind of shimmy a little bit. That's going to go up underneath the girls, so that's flat there. And that will keep that from rolling. You're not going to fall out underneath here. It's just kind of tucked in. You still have your lift that you need to get with that. But that is one way to keep that from rolling. The other thing you can do, and I don't like mine up that high, so I will actually roll mine just like that. And again, doesn't do anything. I'm not going to fall out. It's got a nice little roll and I can't feel it. I could feel the underwire everywhere. I cannot feel that. The other way you can do it if you don't like this is you can do the tuck. Some ladies actually like to do the tuck. So you're just going to tuck it under, and you can go all the way around or just in the one spot and tuck it under, and then you have that look. That is how you stop your demi from rolling. So I don't want to say don't get a demi, it's going to roll, because you already got one probably. And secondly, this is an easy fix. It's just that extra space because some girls are a little longer and might need that a little bit of extra. So either lift and tuck, roll up, or tuck under, and you're good to go. I hope that helps you out. Have a great day.